with you.
안녕하세요, 헤라키친입니다. 오늘은 요리 실력이 없어도 정말 쉽고 맛있게 만들 수 있는 고기야채찜 소개해드려요. 다이어트나 술안주, 손님 초대 요리에도 좋은 고기야채찜 지금부터 시작합니다.
I love the way that you love me today. Let's run up through the forest where the sun shines and heals. With you, I wanna stay with you. It's been so cold since you like I was told, you're the only one. Like I was told, you're the only one. I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the clouds where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you.
Fly away with me, take you high, soaring, see you smile, it's my only dream.
Staring out into the sea, waves come crashing up to me. My toes slip into the sand, dream that I'm with you. Staring out into the sea, waves come crashing up to me. My toes slip into the sand, dream that I'm with you. Staring out into the sea, waves come crashing up to me. My toes slip into the sand, dream that I'm with you.
지금까지 시청해주신 여러분 감사합니다. 영상이 조금이라도 도움이 되셨다면 구독, 좋아요, 알람 설정까지 해놓으시면 다음 영상 놓치지 않고 보실 수 있습니다.